A very warm welcome to everyone. This is Suman Tiwari of Megha Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women from EC department affiliated to JNTUH Hyderabad. As in my last video, I said about the brain chip interface to come. Now, some questions arises due to this because the questions are: how do we detect the virus through our breath? Next, what is the structure of the electronic chip we are going to use in it? What are the advantages? Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about them. Lungs contains grape-like clusters of tiny air sacs called alveoli. When we breathe, oxygen fills the sacs and passes straight into the blood vessels that nestle along the side of them. Pneumonia occurs when an infection of any sort, not just that new virus, inflames the lung sacs. In severe cases, they fill with fluid cells and oxygen can't get through. The people suffering from COVID-19 pneumonia, that haze tends to cluster on the outside edge of both lungs. By the ribs, a distending pattern, it is been seen and said by Dr. Adam Brehanen, a radiologist. Healthy lungs look mostly black in color on medical scans because they are full of air. Whereas an infected person's lungs look like somewhere there are cavities and gaps which are fully of smoky churns. Now, coming to the electronic chip, the chip which we are going to insert in the brain will be connected internally through the respiratory system and through the artificial pores. It will detect that the person is suffering from COVID-19 or not. There are two solutions for this problem. One is temporary and the other is permanent. Temporary problem consists of EEG caps. EEG means electrophagogram, which is used to test and find the problems in the human body. It was a technique detected and implemented in 2017. It is a cap which consists of small metal disc or electrodes which are placed on the scalp and send signals to the computer which contains the electronic chip and determines that is there any problem in the human body or any fluctuations or threat in it. For every 6 hours, a person has to wear this cap and check whether everything is okay in his body or not, or if there is any problem created by our body. This all things will be monitored by the electronic chip presented in the computer system. Now, the second solution is permanent, that is inserting a microchip in the brain. The structure of microchip, they are basically very small in size. The sturdy structure of the microchip consists of copper, which is linked by individual transistors. It consists of a large number of nanometers. The process basically which goes inside the microchip is microchip pretreatment, baseline stabilization, sample injection, separation, detection. Through this microchip, we can connect it to the respiratory system and can detect that is there any COVID patients or not. The advantages of using microchips is that they take less than 5 minutes and detect the virus. Not only COVID-19 but also they can detect any other virus or fluctuation in the human body. In order to cure the future diseases, also introducing electronic chip to the human brain is the only reason and source from which we can save thousands of lives. Through these chips, we can increase the lifespan of a human being up to 150 years. At last, many of us are trying to implement this brain chip interface because it is the only source and resource in which we all can save our futures. So, thank you.